Hi everyone, we already uploaded your lectures of theory and practicals on your app and YouTube. This one or this PPT is there to explain reduced syllabus for the year 2021 and paper pattern for 11th standard final exam. So as we all know, due to some reasons there is reduction in syllabus only for academic year 2021. There are 14 chapters in your textbook. Chapters will be there for 70 marks without option and 98 marks with option for your final exams. Now, according to this PPT, there are few subtopics which are deducted from your syllabus. Let's start one by one. From units and measurements, आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो पेज नंबर के साथ आर्टिकल नंबर एंड पॉइंट गिवन. मेजरमेंट ऑफ लेंथ, मास एंड टाइम डिडक्ट किया हुआ है. Accuracy, precision and uncertainty in measurement as well as combination of errors. These 5 points are deducted from your chapter number 1 measurement. Second one, mathematical methods. Only introduction to calculus. Rest all things are as same as your textbook. Only you have to cancel out introduction to calculus. Third one, motion in a plane. According to that, only rectilinear motion is deducted. Other than rectilinear motion, everything is there as your syllabus for chapter motion in a plane. Fourth chapter बहुत सारा डिडक्ट किया हुआ है. Aristotle's fallacy, Newton's laws of motion, contact and non-contact forces, work energy theorem, principle of conservation of linear momentum, loss in kinetic energy, necessity of defining impulse to improve that the moment of couple independent of and characteristic of center of mass. These all points are deducted from your syllabus for this year only. From gravitation, only measurement of the gravitational constant, rest everything is as same as your textbook. From 6th chapter, that is mechanical properties of solids, hardness, friction in solids, temperature, only 2 points deducted, rest all same. From 7th, that is thermal properties of matter, temperature and heat, measurement of temperature, absolute temperature and ideal gas equation and change of state. ये सारे points deduct किए गए हैं. बाकी सारा का सारा syllabus as per your textbook same है. Chapter number 8, sound waves. Again, there is a huge deduction. Common properties of all waves, transverse wave, longitudinal waves, principle of superposition of waves, reverberation, acoustics, listener approaching a stationary source with velocity v. ये सारे point deduct किए हुए हैं. From chapter 9, that is optics, nature of light, ray optics and geometrical optics, relation between FU and V, prism, binoculars and periscopes. पेज नंबर 167 का 9.7 पॉइंट टिल इक्वेशन 9.2, ओनली 9.2 तक कट करना है. बाकी सारा आफ्टर दैट जो है पूरा का पूरा सिलेबस में इंक्लूड है. देन नेचुरल फिनोमिना ड्यू टू सनलाइट, टेलीस्कोप ऑनवर्ड्स टिल द एंड. So this everything is cancelled out from your syllabus. Then for electrostatics, electric charge, electric field intensity due to point charge in a material medium, practical way of calculating electric field, proof of the Gauss law, electric dipole and continuous charge distribution. ये सारे के सारे point डिडक्ट किए हुए हैं. इलेक्ट्रिक करंट थ्रू कंडक्टर में से इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट, करंट, flow of current through a conductor, drift velocity, Ohm's law, limitations of Ohm's law, electrical energy and power, resistor, specific resistance, that is resistivity. सबसे ज़्यादा डिडक्ट किया हुआ चैप्टर है. Only few points, 2 or 3 points are remaining from this chapter after deduction. Next one, magnetism. एक ही पॉइंट डिडक्ट किया हुआ है, गॉस लॉ ऑफ मैग्नेटिज्म। देन इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम, उसमें से अल्ट्रावायोलेट रेज, एक्स एंड गामा रेज एंड मॉड्यूलेशन का कंसेप्ट। एंड लास्ट वन सेमीकंडक्टर्स, ओनली सेमीकंडक्टर डिवाइसेस डिडक्टेड, रेस्ट एवरीथिंग इज देयर। अब बच्चों एक चीज याद रखो, दिस डिडक्शन इज ओनली देयर फॉर द एजुकेशनल ईयर 2020-21, but we uploaded the video which contains each and every term which is there in your chapter. आप जब ये पढ़ोगे, जब आप ये सुनोगे, आपको ये सारे पॉइंट्स अपने सामने रखने। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डू वन थिंग, चैप्टर आपका टेक्स्ट बुक खोलो, ये हर एक पॉइंट देखो, पहले बुक में इधर बाय पेंसिल और पेन टिक मार्क कर लो कि ये सारे चैप्टर हमें नहीं करने, ये सारे पॉइंट्स हमें नहीं पढ़ने। बी क्लियर विथ वन थिंग, यहाँ पे आपको जो दिया हुआ सिलेबस है विच इज डिडक्टेड सिलेबस, ये सिलेबस, ये पॉइंट्स आपके एग्जाम में नहीं होंगे, ये याद रखना। आपका कंफ्यूजन दूर हो गया होगा, आई होप सो। आपको ये पॉइंट्स आपके एग्जाम में नहीं आने वाले हैं। दीज आर रिड्यूस्ड पॉइंट्स, रिड्यूस्ड सिलेबस पॉइंट्स। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जस्ट कैंसिल आउट दीज पॉइंट्स फ्रॉम योर टेक्स्ट बुक। ये कैंसिल करने के बाद आपके चैप्टर का जो कुछ पार्ट बचेगा वो होगा आपका फाइनल सिलेबस। आफ्टर दैट I'll just explain paper pattern also. Your paper, as I already give you hint, that is your paper is of 70 marks without option, and with option it will be of 98 marks. Time duration which will get is 3 hours. Now this question paper is divided into 4 sections. Section A होगा MCQs and one line answer का. Section B होगा short answer type 1. Section C short answer type 2 and section D 5 long answers. Let's start one by one. Section A, there are 2 sub questions. One is for 10 mark, one is for 8 mark. Question number 1 contains 10 multiple choice type of questions carrying 1 mark each. यहाँ पे आपको 10 MCQ दिए जाएंगे. You have to solve each of them and each question will carry 1 mark with itself. Question number 2 contains 8 very short answer type of questions carrying 1 mark each. Again one line answer होगा, छोटा सा derivation हो सकता है, एक छोटा सा numerical हो सकता है, anything, but each question contains 1 mark. Section B, there are total almost question number 3 to question number 14 questions, contains 12 short answer type of question, each carrying 2 marks. देखो 3 to 14 total 12 question आपको दिए जाएंगे. Out of that 12 you have to solve any 8. Question C, question number 15 to question number 26 होगा, जहाँ पे 12 short answer type questions आपको दिए जाएंगे. हर एक question का मार्किंग होगा 3 marks. Out of that you have to solve again any 8 for 24 marks. Next one, section D होगा 27 to 31, contains 5 long answer type of questions carrying 4 mark each. आपको क्या करना है? You have to distribute your time within these all questions and then start writing. इसको थोड़ा सा इन डिटेल और बताती हूँ. देखो सेक्शन ए जो है सिलेक्ट एंड राइट करेक्ट आंसर, जिसमें आपको दिए जाएंगे 10 क्वेश्चंस. आउट ऑफ दैट 10, 7 of theory and 3 of numericals, contains 1 mark each. So overall ये question होगा आपका 10 marks का. Second one, 1 to 8 very short answers. In that 6 theory plus 2 numericals. Again 1 mark for each question. ये question होगा आपका 8 marks का. So overall आपका ये जो section A है, it's of 18 marks. Clear? Now section B. As we already discussed that question number 3 to question number 14. Overall question दिए जाएंगे 12. Out of that 12 you have to attempt any 8, 2 marks each, होगा 16 marks, जिसमें आपको आएंगे 7 theory plus 5 numericals. Section C, question number 15 to 26, again 12 questions. Out of that 12 again you have to solve any 8, short answer type 2, 3 marks each question. Overall question है 24 marks का. Again in that question 7 theory questions and 5 numericals will be there. Last section, section D, यहाँ पे आपको 27 to 31 overall 5 questions दिए जाएंगे. Out of that 5, you have to solve any 3. Each question will have 4 marks. तो overall this session will be there for 12 marks. अब याद रखना, इसमें जो 5 questions दिए गए, out of that 5, 2 will be direct questions for 4 marks. But rest 3 divide किए गए 2 plus 2 में, उस 2 marks का theory होगा and another 2 marks are for numericals. I'll repeat, there are total 5 questions in this session. Out of that 5, 2 are direct questions for 4 marks. But rest 3 questions will be splitted as 2 plus 2. In that questions, one question is theory question and one question is numerical question. Clear hai? So in this way, your 70 marks are distributed throughout as per your textbook and its syllabus. I hope you all know about marking system of each and every chapter. Before जो हम थियोरी लेक्चर पढ़ रहे थे, मैंने हर एक चैप्टर का वेटेज आपको बताया था, बट लेट मी रिपीट इट अगेन. देयर आर ओवरऑल 14 चैप्टर्स इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक. 70 मार्क्स विदाउट ऑप्शन, 98 मार्क्स विद ऑप्शन आपका क्वेश्चन पेपर होगा. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो क्वेश्चन नंबर चैप्टर नंबर 1 यूनिट्स एंड मेजरमेंट, मार्क्स विदाउट ऑप्शन 5 मार्क्स विद ऑप्शन 7. Mathematical methods without option 5 with option 7. Motion in a plane without option 6 with option 8. Laws of motion without option 7 with option 10. Gravitation without option 5 with option 7. Mechanical properties of solids without option 4 with option 6. Thermal properties of matter without option 5 with option 7. Sound without option 5 with option 7. Optics without option 7 with option 10. Electrostatics without option 5 with option 7. Electric current through conductors without option 4 with option 6. Magnetism without option 4 with option 6. Electromagnetic waves and communication system without option 4 with option 5. And last one, semiconductors without option 4 with option 5. So in this way, 70 marks for 14 chapters without option and 98 marks with option. You have to solve your paper in this marking system with given paper pattern and deleted syllabus. I hope you all are doing good in your studies. For any doubt, you can always contact us. Fine, we are always there to solve your doubts only. So please go through each and every term, each and every chapter thoroughly. Best of luck for your final exam. Thank you.